numbers.
Yeah, I don't like the word pan-India.
You don't like that word?
I don't like the word. What is pan-India? It's India.
Yeah.
You know, like it is.
It works across India.
I know,
Yeah.
but India is also a cumulative country of everything, right?
Yeah.
It's an Indian film, it's an Indian actor. And I think this is a very digital media coined word. In the sense, what I'm coming to is that Allu Arjun was a big star, or Ramcharan, all the South actors, Telugu actors, and you would be surprised the amount of North Indians watched those films on dubbed.
Yeah.
So what has happened is it's not that people have started watching those actors here. The films have started getting released in theatres here in a big way.
Yeah.
And we have social media which has started the chatter. So what the pandemic I feel has done is that 2 years when we were consuming a lot of what's on our phone, it sort of connected territories. Right? And the chatter really grew. Suddenly, everyone could know anything in a second, which was not happening before.
Yeah.
Yes, there was Instagram, but the impact was not so much. Yes, there was paparazzi, but the impact was not so much. But I feel like everything in that post-pandemic phase is so connected. So now you feel that, oh, they've become pan-India stars, but they always have been. I feel like Hema ji has worked in the South and Hindi back in the 80s.
Yeah.
You know, or Rekha or Tabu ma'am for that matter. So everyone's been working across. It's just that people talk about it now. And they talk about it because the social media talks about it. That's my take. I feel it's like, oh, now every day this is a conversation. So that conversation has become a fact.
Yeah.
But people were not talking about it earlier. So, yeah.
Karan Johar said something very funny once. He said, so we were discussing, I don't know what, but then he said, you know, earlier there were probably 3 magazines and that's all. So they
Yeah.
had enough content. Now there's like thousands of magazines. They need something to keep talking about all the time.
Exactly.
So, you know, so they, you know, because I think it was why numbers are being reported so much or something like that. But then it's like, how do they fill up the daily quota of say 10
but I'm
stories?
really against numbers being reported so much.
You are?
Yeah.
Why?
See, I feel because also you don't know who to believe and who not to believe, right? Either there needs
You
to
should
be
be getting the right numbers.
No,
Because
no.
you're
No, I'm not talking as an actor. I'm talking as an audience.
as an audience, yeah.
Right? I'm talking as an audience that, of course, there's so much reporting happening, and I'm talking as an audience, and I'm talking as a film lover, industry lover.
Yeah.
I feel that, look at now Lalu, for example. I don't know if you know that the first 3 weeks the film was not working, right? It was out.
Yeah.
And then one day, one afternoon, one theatre, people went in and the film fathoed.
Yeah.
Now, with the kind of reporting we have here, you're not even giving that opportunity to a film.
Yeah.
You're writing it off.
In the very first day.
Before the first day.
Yeah.
Oh my God, so tickets are not going, bookings are open, but it's only 10K, it's only 15K, it's only 20K. Arey, take a breath, man. It's years of hard work of somebody. Let the audiences decide. We do say now, the Janta Janardhan. I'm not saying don't report the number, report the day one number. But why is this hourly reporting happening? Why are you feeding people? That means either we don't understand that it is the same ecosystem. I mean, what will you report if the industry collapses? Which doesn't happen in the South as much.
Yeah, I think it started happening.
It started, I don't know if it started, but it doesn't happen so much that little bit now pre-sales they start talking, but I feel it's very dangerous because then you can't have a film like Sholay ever.
Yeah.
Sholay became a hit much later. So many films in the 90s, 80s became hits just purely by audience. Sometimes, you know, a film reaches late in certain areas, which is what now we're doing with constant feeding.
Yeah.
Oh, the day one's not up to the mark. Even if it's 20, say, oh, it's not up to the mark because you thought the mark was something else. Give it a chance. Maybe tomorrow it's double. Right? So I just feel that reporting has become sensationalizing. It's not just reporting. So leave it to just reporting. That's what I get. And it's not, I'm not talking about my films. In general, it hurts. Like for someone who loves the industry and who feels that so much opinion before even a film comes out. We've seen lately in one of the films, like so much opinion. Why?
I think it's become this. It's just that now you need to keep feeding the.
No, because we're in the clickbait culture.
Yeah.
We're in that culture, and everyone wants to feel important by saying something which is clickbait worthy.
Yeah.